Hi, my name is Jane Muir, and I'm a business lawyer located in Miami. Here are 5 common contract mistakes that cost small businesses thousands of dollars. Number 1 is signing a contract that an opposing party puts in front of you without having to talk to a lawyer about it. I see this all the time. Somebody makes a deal, they shake hands, they think they're paying a certain price for a certain service or item. And then when they have a dispute, they look at the contract and it has all kinds of problematic terms in it. So I recommend that you at least discuss a contract with a lawyer, even if there's not room for negotiation. Number 2 is not paying attention to the choice of law and venue. Every contract is supposed to tell you where disputes are resolved. Sometimes they'll say Delaware and under Delaware law, even if you're in Miami. So you always have to pay attention to where a dispute would be resolved. With that in mind, number 3 is having an arbitration clause. People see arbitration clauses all the time. They're in your credit card agreement, they're in your cell phone agreement, because big companies want arbitration. Why? Because there's a high barrier to entry. You have to pay a high filing fee and pay the judge and all of the staff of the judge in order to review your case. If you have Miami-Dade County Court as your forum, what's great about that is your tax dollars are paying for the cost of the judge reviewing your case and all the staff. So pay attention to those arbitration clauses because they make it difficult to enforce your rights. Number 4 is having a liability waiver in the contract. What that means is the contract will say something like, I waive any claims against my opposing party up to the amount I paid, or I flat out waive all claims I might have against the opposing party. Although sometimes those are breakable, it's really hard if you've signed a document that says, I will not sue, to sue. So always be sure to avoid signing something that has a liability waiver. Lastly, you want to be looking for some kind of limitation on damages. Just like that liability waiver, damages would say that the maximum amount you could recover would be X amount, like the amount of the insurance policy or the amount you paid. Whatever that amount is, it limits the amount that you could seek from the opposing party if they cause you harm. Under a normal circumstance, you could sue them and recover damages that they cause against you, but with that cap on the damages, you might not be able to. So those are the 5 things that I recommend everybody look for in a contract to avoid losing money.